Here's a quick step-by-step guide showing you how to manually update your Chrome browser. Start by opening Google Chrome on your computer or phone. Tap the three dots in the top right corner, then select Settings. On the left side menu, tap About Chrome. If you're on mobile, scroll down and tap About Chrome at the bottom of the settings list. Chrome automatically checks for updates as soon as you open the About page. If an update is available, you'll see it downloading right away. This also installs important security patches, so it's good to update regularly. Once the update finishes installing, tap Relaunch. Chrome will close and reopen with the latest version. After relaunching, go back to the About Chrome page. You should now see a message saying Chrome is up to date. If you're on Windows or Mac and updates still don't install automatically, make sure your system allows Chrome updates. Check your antivirus or system preferences to ensure auto-updating is enabled, and that's it. You've successfully updated Google Chrome manually to the latest version.